Hello students, this is a past paper November 2025 analysis and approaches high level. First question of paper 1. Let's consider this question and make a short overview. This is a 6 maximum marks here and 2 parts, A and B. And obviously the question about the sequences and series. It's given that it is arithmetic sequence with term 1 is equal to 36 and term 5 is equal to 12. And now the question is find the 13th term of this arithmetic sequence. Let's do that. So let's use the formula of general term of arithmetic sequence. It's un is equal to u1 plus n minus 1 d. So this formula given in the formula booklet, you can easily use it. And now according to this formula, we can express u5 as u1, which is 36, yeah? 36 plus 5 minus 1 is 4, d is equal to 12. Okay, again, it's I'm going to underline here that we're talking about the formula, the general term formula, and that how it's applied in the context of u5. Okay, so this is all about this. And now using this formula, we can say that d difference, common difference could be found, right? 4d is equal to 12 minus 36, so the 4d is equal to negative 24, and d then is equal to negative 6. So d is found. Okay, now we should find the 13th term. 13th term, u13 is equal to u1 plus 12d, right? Plus 12d. So I'll separate by the line. And now let's just plug everything that we know. 36 plus 12 times negative 6. So it is 36 minus 72, which is negative 36. So the answer is u13 is equal to negative 36. Okay, part A is done. Congratulations. Part A is done. Now let's turn to the part B. It's written that the sum of the first n terms here in this arithmetic sequence is 0. Okay, so what this condition says that sum of n terms is 0. Okay, and we should find the n. Okay, find the n. Okay, let's do that. Let's do the part B. So it's a sum formula, and also the sum formula also given in the formula booklet. Yeah, this part A, and here I'm going to write part B. Formula of the sum is looks like that: n over 2 u1 plus n minus 1 d. Okay. Okay, now what we know and what we don't know. We know the u1, so I'm just highlight the parameters that we know. u1 we know, d we know, right? And sn is equal to 0, so this thing is equal to 0. Okay, now let's simplify. So u1 is 36 plus n minus 1 times d, difference is negative 6, and it is equal to 0. Okay, now you see that it is two factors. First factor, n over 2 is equal to 0, and the second factor is also equal to 0, right? So plus n minus 1 times negative 6 is equal to 0. Now let's solve these two equations separately. Here n is equal to 0. 36 minus 6 and minus 1 times equals 0. Yeah. Open the brackets. Yeah, and now let's calculate. So we, yeah, here is a mistake here. Yeah, it's 2. Don't forget to use 2 here. 2. So it's going to be 72. Right. Now it's correct. Okay, if you notice it, you think that, I think that you will pass exam at least 4 total, 4 marks out of 7. Okay, and now it's ready, everything to calculate. Yeah, 6n is equal to 78. Now let's just find the n. It's 1, 3, so n is equal to 13. Okay guys, let's revise. Let's make a short review of part B. So what we did here, we used the formula of the sum, straightforward. Just plug all the parameters that we know, yeah, and calculate the value for n. It is 2 marks, and then total is 6 marks. I hope this question was clear for you. Subscribe to my channel, share with friends, and wait for the next videos. Just have a look and improve. I wish you good luck. Subscribe to my other social media. Good luck, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.